Hi guys, it is Shell and Charlotte. she's being my tripod today.
Hi.
I wanted to show you guys this book that we made for her son Daniel and his new wife Brittany, and I wanted to show this to you guys. I didn't do the cover because it was a paid course, so I didn't want to share that. But if you're interested, you can do searches on YouTube and kind of figure out how to do the same technique, or you can look, the course was from Nick, the booksmith, and you can go to her site and look. We put a, what is that, about 1.5 inches lace tie, and can you see the shimmer? I'm not sure you can see it on camera, but it's kind of like a raised book. And this is a large book. It is 8.5 by 11, the pages are. So then this is the inside, has a beautiful lace piece here. And then every page in here, pretty much I think every page in here, we actually created using some lace and some dark papers, some scrapbook papers. So just show you guys that. And what we did is we took an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. We took 2 of them and we laid them side by side. So like this one and this one side by side. And then we used like a hem or like a, what am I thinking? A piece to attach them. I'm trying to think, but it's not coming to me. So this was a digital. I can't remember what digital we got it from. But we really loved the papers that we did. So we made the papers. I think, didn't we, Charlotte, copy these onto cardstock?
Yeah, what we did is we found the colors that we liked that would go with their wedding colors. And we put a piece of lace down first on the copier and then put that colored paper behind. And they were scrapbooking colors. I got them out of the scrapbooking papers
so
that I had.
And then we had tons of lace. Remember the lace I got?
It was all Shell's idea. It was really neat.
Well, and what's funny is we had done like the whole book out of digitals, and then we decided we liked this better. So it took us, what, twice as long as it should have.
Yes.
But Charlotte learned something, and we had so much fun making this. They just had a small wedding, so they haven't put anything in it yet. And they're hoping to have a reception later in the summer, I think.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to show you guys all of these. But beautiful pages, and they were going to have like a photo booth, so they were going to put like a picture here. So, I mean, you could write on some of these, but I think it'd be better to put like a mat or, you know, a piece of paper to write on.
I should have brought some of those up. We have some that people wrote special
special notes.
Special notes. I had some paper that would match the
okay. Well, we can, maybe I can figure out how to combine the video. I think I can. So we'll have to figure that out. But yeah, so, you know, I've had several people ask, how do you put like 8.5 pages, 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper to make the book that large? So, but yeah, we just put a seam kind of, I can't remember what we used. We used lace, or did we use paper? No, we just sewed this page to this page, didn't we? We just sewed straight down the center. And it worked out so pretty. There's only one signature in here, but I think it had, what, 60 pages front and back? Seems like that's about what it was. It's been a while since we made this, but Charlotte still had this. Oh, we did 2 signatures.
Yeah, so I thought we did more than one, but I was going to wait and see.
my brain isn't working very well. We came over to Charlotte's and she still had the book.
We did it last summer during COVID.
Yeah, the first
stay-at-home stuff.
And I think we spent like a couple of hours. No, we spent like 8 hours a day for 3 or 4 days is what we
But we kept starting over.
And we talked a lot. Charlotte's a real talker.
Yeah,
Charlotte?
sure.
So yeah, but yeah, you can make a large book. The cover originally was just a large cover that actually worked. So we just covered it and cut these out on our Cricut and was able to make a gorgeous book. And she said they loved it. So I'm anxious to see the pages and stuff inside of it. I think it's going to be absolutely beautiful. So I wanted to show you guys that. And I'm going to try to do another little section of recording just to kind of show you guys how she had it kind of laid out. And hopefully I can add it to the end of this video. Okay guys, so here is the book and the layout that they did at the wedding. So like she put the little sign here, it says we're creating a wedding scrapbook for Brittany and Daniel. And then please sign the guest list, which is over here. And then it says, then choose a card from the box and write something to Daniel and Brittany. And we were kind of reading some of them. They were so sweet. So over here, she has this beautiful box that her dad actually gave her mother back in 1951. Isn't that awesome? So, and then she made these cards. Some of them were from Etsy, and then she shrank them and then put lines on them, and then just some fun things. And then people would take them out, write a special note to them, and then they will go in the book. So I wanted to kind of show you how. And she was telling me how she would do the book. On the first page or so, she would put the picture of the wedding of, you know, the two. And then, you know, other little notes and stuff maybe on a couple of the pages. So like the list of wedding guests, the wedding guests, and maybe an invitation or something, you know, through the first couple of pages. And then she would kind of put these throughout the next section, you know, saving some of it for like the reception and stuff that they hope to have in the coming months. And like these, she said she would probably back them with like a solid color just to kind of make them pop a little bit and not blend in so much with the paper. And like I said in the other video, they were going to have like a bunch of photographers and like a photo booth. So they're going to have like the strip, wasn't it? The strips of, yeah, and strips of pictures. So that's one thing we had intention, so that we could put like a set of 3 pictures, and then they could write who it was and a note or something beside it. So I think it's really a sweet thing. So if you're looking for an idea for a wedding, then maybe, let me see if I can go back a little bit further. There we go. So I don't know how well this is going to turn out. It feels like it's really jumpy, but I think it's really sweet and really fun. If you want to see a large book like this made, minus, you know, the cover, I can kind of do a little bit with the cover, but minus the cover, then let me know, because I could certainly show you how to do an 8.5 by 11 sheet. So you just need 2 of them for each signature, you know, each set. I forgot what they're called. So I think we ended up using, what, 24 for like a set of 12. So you just need double the papers you normally would use. And then I think this was such a fun idea. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope it gives you some ideas. And several of you heard about it when I was working on this with Charlotte. And we just had a blast. We had so much fun making that. So thanks for watching. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And we will see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.